Hi everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. I'm back with yet another great giveaway for this festival season. Reolink has sent me two Reolink Argus 2 cameras with solar panel. These are excellent wireless wire-free cameras with rechargeable battery powered, or you can also use the solar panels. You can easily install them and place them anywhere. It records 1080p HD videos, has two-way audio, smart PIR motion and 130-degree angle viewing. These are IP65 certified, so can withstand extreme environment conditions easily. Reolink are offering 20% discount till 25th December, so don't forget to check out their link. I will place that in the description of the video. To win this giveaway, simply share this video on your social media account, subscribe to my channel or like this video. It's that easy. All the participants for this giveaway should be New Zealand resident. Like always, I will post all the details about the product in the description of the video, so please do check it out. Thanks for watching the video. All the best to everyone in winning this giveaway and happy holidays. Thank you.